Recording a Google Meet is a simple process. After you join the meeting, click the vertical ellipses and select Manage Recording. In the sidebar that pops up, you can select the option of having captions in your recording, and if your call is in English, you can also have Meet produce a transcript of the call. After you have chosen your settings, all you have to do is click Start Recording. It is important to note that different countries have different legislations, but it's a good practice to ask for permission to record a meeting. Something else to have in mind is that only hosts and organization administrators can record meetings, and your organization settings must allow for recordings to be made. To finish the recording, you may click on Stop Recording or simply end the meeting. The recording will be automatically stored in your Google Drive, and you will be sent an email with a link to it. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next Kanbanchi tutorial.